Let's break down Euro USD. So what is the futures for Euro USD? So let's start with our daily time frame. Let's start with daily time frame and see where we are on Euro USD. So what we can see clearly that this guy is bearish, right? So we have a break of structure. We have a break of structure here, right? Now to confirm a change of character. So this is higher time frame structure, right? So now we can see that price externally we have changed to bearish, and price is giving us a kind of reading. So here become our swing high and our swing low. So we have our daily swing high, our daily swing low. So let's look at where we could get like a pullback. So now price is currently trading in a discount. So we want to see a rising at least to 50% of this move before we crash down. And if we look at where the 50% is lining up with this fair value gap. So we have our FEG there, right? So that gave us our daily FEG around that place. So what do we do now? Let's drop down to our 4 hours. So go to H4. So on H4, this is our daily fair value gap, right? So what we can see now is price. So we have come to H4 time frame. So this is our last break of structure on H4, right? So let's hide this daily that daily fair value that's open. So we have our H4 break of structure. So every time frame has its own break of structure. Then we have our A4 high, and price rally from that high, right? So we get to premium, then we sell off. So now externally price is bearish, but when you look at internally, like H1, so let's draw to H1 time frame. So on H1, we're going to have a kind of series of a break of structure, right? On H1, here we start this break of structure from on H1. So we have our BOS. Likewise, we have our BOS, right? So we have our BOS there. So price can mitigate this supply demand zone on H1, right? So price mitigate that demand zone, give another break of structure, respect this zone. So now, then we have this last break of structure. Then price now officially 1 hour price as we have what we call shifting market structure here. So this is shift market. So which means the bullish we are having on 1 hour has turned to bearish, which means so our 1 hour now is in line with the 4 hours and daily bearish. So this is what I'm looking at, 4 hours drawn liquidity. So what we can see now is price to trade to this a supply zone. Let's see how price trade to this supply zone, right? On 1 hour, this will be an inducement for price. So this is an inducement. This will be an inducement for price. Then we are looking at the H1 to trade, price to trade to this zone, then give us a bearish confirmation on 1 hour, then we can sell to this zone. So this is the future of Euro USD, and this is what I'm looking at on USD. I'm still much bearish on Euro USD.